Hey, this is Jenny Jones, the digital marketing coach powered by SaaS Use Case TV. Listen up, people. Just got my hands on Bard. I'm just launching it for the first time. Bard is an experiment. It's just coming up here. So let's take a look around inside. So this is kind of has the same setup. You do your prompts here. It looks like ChatGPT a little bit. I'm assuming they're not the same. So let me look at some of the prompts that I've last used in my ChatGPT and see how they compare. One of the prompts I was doing was I wanted to look up. I'm doing some SQL and some additional SQL things as well. But let me look at the question I had. So one of the things that I did was I looked up what is the most powerful keyword on YouTube right now. So let me try that again. What is the most, and I was trying to experiment something full. What is the most powerful keyword on YouTube right now? So let's see what we get. And, or you can actually use a microphone to do it as well. Nice little added touch. So let's see what we get here. So that's different because what I got with, let me show you what I got with ChatGPT, and then let me show you what I got with this. So this looks like it's giving me a little bit more. What I got with them, and I don't know if you can see the screen right now, but it's just saying as an AI language model, I do not have the capability to determine the most powerful keyword on YouTube at a specific point in time. And so they make some suggestions on the effectiveness of keywords, but what Bard does is Bard goes one step further. It says, hey, how to. This is a popular keyword, review, funny, music, gaming, the topic of your video. So this is obviously is going to slant towards YouTube and try to help you a little bit more. And then you can come here and you can go to Google it. So let's see what happens if you click on Google it, which is not in ChatGPT. And so you can just enter your prompt here. I'm assuming that's it. Yeah. You just enter your prompt there, most powerful keyword on YouTube. And you click that and then you go there. Boom. Okay. So then it has a Google. Okay. So I like that. So my first look at it in the first couple of minutes here. I think I see Bard activity. Go back here. All right. And that's the activity. So it shows you a list of the activity that you've used as well in the past. So I just want to let you take a quick look at it. I think it's still, when it comes to ChatGPT and or Bard, which is Google's answer to ChatGPT, which was supposed to be out before ChatGPT. I think what they're doing is it's all in the prompts. It's all in the questions that you're asking. So let me ask another question. What is, just for one more time, what is SQL? Because I'm writing a book as well on database management. So let me just see what it says here when I ask that. Okay, so retrieval data, insert data, and update data. Okay. All right, so interesting. So that's interesting. All right, so I just wanted to just give you a quick look at it to see what you think about it. And so this is Bard. This has been Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. I got you your first look at Bard in under 5 minutes. All right, if you like this channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm always coming up with these different hacks and looking at different things, but want to let you take a look at it. All right, bye.